Hey, Larry here from PriceIt Software. Wanted to show you the new Google Calendar integration. Before we get started, just wanted to let you know that currently PriceIt is pushing to the Google Calendar. So if you do make a change on the Google Calendar side, you'll need to change it back at PriceIt as well, or just determine that you'll only move dates and times around from PriceIt so that'll push that new information to the Google Calendar. And if you do, like I said, do make a change on the Google Calendar side, you'll need to go back into PriceIt and move it. So let me show you this, how this works, and this is a very useful tool. So before you do anything, you want to log in to your Google Calendar. I have it sitting right here. And then we want to go down here to where it says Other Calendars, and we're going to click this plus sign right here. And then it's going to have a fly out. We're going to select Create New Calendar. And I'm just going to give it a name, probably Production Calendar, and then just say Production Calendar from PriceIt Software. And make sure the time zone's correct. We're going to say Create Calendar. So it's creating that now, and now we have this additional production calendar down here. And let's go ahead and let's take a look at it. We're going to actually, what I'm going to do is come back here first and find it right here where it says production calendar. We're going to click on the three dots right here, and this is where you could choose the color or whatnot. And we're going to come back here later and click on settings and sharing, and in fact we can just grab that now. So let's click into settings and sharing. At this point we're going to scroll down to where it says integrate calendar ID. It starts with some letter and usually ends with google.com. So let's go ahead and grab that now, so we'll have that for us when we set up the PriceIt calendar. So let's go back to here. And we're going to go into PriceIt. We're going to start right here up in the upper left-hand corner where it says To Settings. I'm going to click on that. And the far right, all the way over here, we're going to click on Google Calendar. So the first thing we want to do is log into our Google account. So obviously, if you're already logged into your Google account, you'll be able to just kind of click it right here. If not, you can click use another account and go from there. But let's click here. And it says that you've been given access to the app that's currently being tested. You should only continue, yada, yada. We're going to click on continue. And then we're going to scroll down to continue. And it says you have successfully signed into Google. Please click the red after you log in. Click here button below to set up to complete the setup. So I'm going to click after you log in, click here, and looks like it's good to go. And then remember that little ID that we grabbed back at the calendar? I'm just going to refresh your memory and show you where we got that. So we're going to go back in here. We're going to three dots right here, settings and sharing, and then we are going to scroll down until we see integrate calendar, and we're going to grab this calendar ID, go back to PriceIt, paste that in here, and then we are good to go. So we're going to click here to click out. There's no save button or anything, so we're going to come back here, we're going to go back, and then we're going to go to the scheduler. So so we have something on April 22nd that's pushing over. Hopefully it's pushed over by now. Right here. So let's go over to Google Calendar and see if it's been pushed forward. So let's go back to the calendar, and we're going to click here, and we're going to refresh. And there we have it. It's showing up at 9 a.m. on the Google Calendar for that job. Now, like I said, you can move it around if you want. The only caveat is that you're going to have to go back to PriceIt and move it on that calendar as well. So for those reasons, I recommend, if you're going to be managing your production, that you do it from here, or maybe you just use PriceIt to push it over and just tell everyone to use the Google Calendar for managing the production from there. So you're going to move it around. There's also Update Google. We can move that around and then go over. If I click on Update, we can go over to here, and it usually takes about a minute or two. So actually I just refreshed it, so it moved it over immediately. So if you're impatient like I am, you can click the refresh button and it will move it around. So again, you can move it around, but just make sure you move it in PriceIt, or just tell everyone, yeah, we're using PriceIt to put the job on the board, but then we're managing it from Google Calendar. Either way works. Yeah, let us know what you think. If you get hung up anywhere, just give us a call, 802-257-5188. If you have any questions, anything like that, please reach out to us, info@PriceItSoftware.com. Let us know what you think. Have a great day. Bye.